Hello students of Standard 8, how are you? Fine, good. Welcome to DAV Mall Public School, Sitasongi. This is your social science teacher, Nitin Pushpadode. Okay, let's begin an online session of social science. Children, are you ready? Okay, let's start. In the previous online session, we have started the topic of constitution. In that online session, we have learned about the rules and laws, the constitution and need of constitution. So about that, we have learned in that previous online sessions. Okay, students, today we will start the new subtopic vision and values of Indian Constitution. Okay, let's start vision and values of Indian Constitution. Student, first of all, I am telling you about the vision of Indian Constitution. What is the vision of Constitution? Listen, the Constitution declares India a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, assuring its citizens justice, equality, liberty, and promote the fraternity. So this is the important vision of Constitution. In another manner, we can say that Constitution guarantees the rights of individual against the state. Listen students, vision of constitution. Constitution guarantees the rights of individual against the state. In another manner, we can say that about the vision of constitution, what? Commitment to democracy. Listen students, commitment to democracy and guarantees of justice, equality and freedom to all the people. This is the vision of constitution. What? Commitment to democracy and guarantees of the justice, equality and freedom to all the people. Okay students, another point, values of the Indian Constitution. Do you know about that? Again, it is very essential to know about it. Listen, sovereignty, socialism, secularism, democracy, republican character of the Indian state, justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, human dignity, and the unity integrity of the nation. These are the values of Indian Constitution, which are sovereignty, socialism, secularism, democracy, republican character of Indian state, justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, human dignity. These are the values of Indian Constitution. Okay students, another point, read that the constitution of a country reflects the distinctive feature, culture and ethos. That means it contains the power and function of the various organ of the government and their mutual relationship. According to that, government of democracy, government of country functions. Okay students, it also defines in another manner rights of the citizens and relation between the government and its citizens. Okay student, listen student, next point, just read that the constitution's one picture is given in front of you. This is the picture of constituent assembly. Some members are there, okay, collectively form the constituent assembly and they are working for framing the constitution. That means they framed the Indian Constitution. Okay, the Constitution of India is the result of serious deliberation, serious consideration of the representative body called the constituent assembly. Students, most of the members of this constituent assembly represented Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Anglo-Indians, Christians, Harijans and Parsis, etc. That means they belong from the different communities and the religions. The assembly included the eminent personalities. Students, in the Constituent Assembly include the eminent personalities like Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Maulana Azad, K.M. Munshi, J.B. Kripalani, C. Raja Gopalachari, Pantabhai Sitaramaiah, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, and M. Gopal Swami Iyengar, etc. These are the members of Constituent Assembly. Students, this point is very important. These are the names of members of the Constituent Assembly. Anyone ask you, tell me the some names of the members of the Constituent Assembly, then answer is what? Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Azad, K.M. Munshi, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Radhakrishnan, etc. Again students, there were some female members, at least 15 female members also in the Constituent Assembly, like Sacheta Kripalani, Sarojini Naidu, Rajkumar, Amrita Kaur, etc. So these are the female members. Students, collectively they form. So this is the picture of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Just we know that this he is known as the father of Indian Constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is called the father of Indian Constitution. He worked a lot of time and he had a great work in the framing of Indian Constitution, especially on the drafting of the Constitution. Okay students, again simultaneously other members like the Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Maulana Azad, K.M. Munshi, such like, just they also simultaneously work with the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So, okay, students, in such a way that these are the eminent personality of the Constituent Assembly. They are called the member of Indian Constituent Assembly. Okay, in such a way that students, we learned today we learned about the vision of Constitution, values of Constitution, again the Constituent Assembly and its member. Okay, on the basis of today's content, students, two assignment questions I am giving, and these questions in front of you. Remaining part of this lesson we will learn in the next online session. Thank you very much.